Alright, you've never seen nothing like this. Look at this. Yo!
Natural.
Watch the chicken spin. Right?
Chicken dance on the fire, man.
That is how it's working. The current from the river is spinning the CDs on the sticks to spin the stick with the chicken. Yo! Boy, welcome to Cook and Vibe. Where we there?
We're there Nasty Davis, we're in the Portland Fellowship. You know we're coming already.
Hey, Kitchen by the River. Make sure you follow him. If you ain't followed him so far, remember there's a competition and you can win your personal big up video and you get a free ticket to my UK show.
You hear that?
Yes, me. So we're there with the G, man. Everybody's there, man. Jay, Tarpies, Spirit in there. You understand? So, look, I want team. Today, we're doing something mad. Yeah? What the bridging name?
ENJAY.
ENJAY. Alright.
Vibe.
He's going to show you a way of cooking a chicken you've never seen before.
You hear that?
This is cooking chicken with fire and water.
Fire
and water. Rotisserie chicken, fire and water.
Any water, river water.
River water. Yeah. So a mad thing, you're gonna see what nothing normal.
Never normal.
You see me? Some of them, what them call it, rotisserie. That's what them call it.
Yeah, cause it spin over the flame.
But we are using fire and water.
Yes, rotisserie.
Crazy. Have you ever seen chicken cooked with water and fire at the same time? Yeah. Never seen that. Boy! Man like.
Yeah, you know it now.
Holy, you better say no.
You know it now.
That is it.
Right, that is it, man.
Boy!
Oh.
Jay there.
Oi.
Kitchen by the river. Yes,
Roadside there.
So that's the chicken there. That's the
the
chicken we got, people, and we got some seasonings down there in the bag, and
I do some roast plantain and rotisserie chicken, you see me?
Okay.
Something normal, not too much.
Bro, I don't even know how
normal.
this is I don't even know how they're gonna do this, but we're gonna see. Yeah, I might
man, that's how we do it. Remember, you know, like, subscribe and share.
Exactly.
Hit the notification.
Exactly.
Beep, 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 beep.
And follow the G's YouTube.
Yeah.
It's low. It's low. We need to up the numbers quickly.
Remember, man, subscribe, man, get the thing up in the car. Remember, guys, we soon drop weekly videos.
Okay.
One daily things that we do.
Okay.
Just give you a little chance, man. You see me?
All right.
Bill we are Bill.
That is it.
Greatness of the key.
My bro. So people, I really don't know how they're gonna do this. I'm not sure. I just can't. You know, and that's like, yeah, rotisserie chicken with the fire and the water. I'm like, yeah, fire. It sounded cool. We're gonna find out. We're gonna see what's going on.
This pork kaki root, better than the bubble root.
All right, natural vibes. See it there? It's a natural cutting board.
Natural cutting board. Use what you have.
Yeah.
That give you them thing of your reason. This flat and perfect.
Yeah.
Use a sharp knife. And we use the cut pan, see me. You
Yeah.
see me? We got best dress every time, you see me?
Yeah, best dressed chicken. That seems to be the popular one in Jamaica still.
Yeah. Best dressed chicken.
Yeah, man, we are gonna dress it nice, no worries.
Yeah, we are gonna dress it nice, real. Big up, you know. And that, big up yourself,
That
you know.
is it,
Cooking
my
and
bro.
vibes, people.
That
wonderful
is it.
experience. Man. Link up
Good
with the
vibes.
G, best experience ever, man. Real
Good
to
vibes.
the bone, just like how we season to the bone.
Yeah, that's how we work. Alright, so I'm set up now. 6 in there. So they're just working out the dynamics of this. I still don't know how they're gonna do it.
Oh, yourself, man.
But
you gotta see what I go on.
you see what I'm going.
Alright, so that we have this, huh? You see this?
Yeah.
When you see this, you're supposed to know what going on.
Right.
And I want a slingshot, you know.
Right.
You mean? This go like this.
ENJAY, wait, say I have Instagram and him something there.
Yeah.
Alright, follow the G. I'm gonna put his Instagram at the bottom there. Make sure you go link him. You have YouTube as well? Follow the news page, man. We're gonna subscribe myself, so make sure you do that. What's the channel name?
ENJAY Nature Jamaica.
ENJAY Nature Jamaica. Alright, so you see it there, cook and vibe. Kitchen by the river.
So I'm gonna put the phone on charge. You're dead.
Slam and veers them in it, man. You want to make slam and veers them, Slam and veers.
So getting all the wood ready at the right sizes by the looks of things. Yeah.
How much time we start on the down there?
Yeah.
You can't give him a talk.
Yeah. Kitchen by the river.
Alright people, so right then so we have okra and we have a string bean. You see me then too, we have put inside of the chicken.
Yeah, okay.
People always ask about something named Busso. See him?
Busso?
Yeah.
Okay.
See Busso, yeah. This name Busso.
What is that?
You say look?
Hold on.
This name Busso. You say look?
Busso?
Yeah.
So it's like a sea.
No, it's like a mussel.
Like a cockle.
Like a
Not
mussel.
a cockle
mussel.
is.
No.
Wilk.
A mussel same way.
Yeah, like a wilk.
Like a mussel.
Okay.
A wilk same way, you know.
Okay.
But all of them inside is a mussel them the same way. Alright, see that?
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah.
You can boil them in a soup, you can curry them, you can do any little thing to them.
What is that? Busso.
Busso their name. You only find them in a river. Isn't
Right.
it?
So we have to cook up some busso then.
Yeah, do some busso soup.
We have to
man,
find
also.
some man.
ENJAY, what else you can do the busso? Now curry them to same way. You can curry them, do some curry busso. Isn't
Right.
it? Mad thing, man. People, this name busso.
Okay.
Isn't it? Right in a river you find.
Right.
And the stone them.
On that cling to the stone, yeah.
Yeah, they suck up on the stone.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Or you can call them suck stone, and you can want to call them.
Right.
The busso them. Amazing soup.
Look at that.
See there? This is part we eat, them part.
Yeah.
This is part.
Yeah.
So this is part that come off. Isn't it? Take out that. Yeah,
A good vibes.
yeah, man.
We
Right
are.
now we have some of them here, and some of them here. Strong to blood clot. You have one ever Hercules yet. You have one ever Hercules your father. Tell me, I tell you that.
All right, people. It looks like it's getting interesting here. There's CDs are gone. I don't know what's going on at this point, ENJAY. I don't know what's going on at this point, but we'll soon see what God. Cook and vibes. ENJAY Nature Jamaica, cooking by the river. Spill. So what them call you Spill?
You know what I give myself that name there though?
You keep Spill drink.
You look like you like still.
We say that other reason, no?
No man, keep spilling the juice on the girls, you know.
Ah, that is it. He was waiting to say that. He said, end that your pussy now, something for you. He might build it up. I don't know what's going on. Look, but we got sticks with CDs on, and sticks in the river. Boy. Still don't know what's going on. Again, check out his YouTube channel, people. It's right at the bottom there. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. As you can see, very creative. Very creative. Yeah, that's what's going on at the moment. They're just stringing together that, so it looks like a CD star at the moment. And the G there, go and clean up the chicken.
See me? King active to go inside, you know.
Right,
Powder season and everything, we have to season up the bread.
right.
Still, get some water this in guys.
Active.
Where are they?
You know it now.
Dream work.
They know now, yeah.
They know
They know
now.
now. You done tell them.
No.
Alright, so right now people, what we are going to do? They are seized up the chicken.
Party,
You see what I'm saying?
drinking, Pagadi.
Now watch it through, we cut so, and cut so. We cut today, we make it soak properly, you see what I say? And the seasoning them can apply it everywhere. So this is how we are doing it today. We don't have a Maggi seasoning, apply some of this, you see me? Rub it soon, between every part. You see me, all of them cut part, they want seasoning to go. You see me?
So I take it you cut that so that you can season it and it cooks quicker.
Yeah.
Right.
Same here, so.
Okay. Yeah, man, season up the chicken.
Oi,
oi!
just like that, man.
Make sure you support the man them's channels. I'm not sure about ENJAY, but I know Kitchen, but everybody's the subs are low.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You need to get it up, man. Follow
All
Kitchen,
right.
subscribe to Kitchen by the River.
How many
page.
subscribers you have right now?
Probably about, what, 13?
All right, 13. When we get to 100, whoever does 100 is going to get £100. I'm going to send you £100. The 100th subscriber, may I send you £100, yeah? All right. Quick and fast.
Remember, guys, like, subscribe. You see me? Just watch it time in.
Hey. Yo, wherever this is, ENJAY is creative, bro. Yeah, he has to get a follow for this. Has to.
Okay, so if you know that thing about the deepness now.
Right.
So if I eat, I work, man, just like the deep.
Dynamics. So it looks like they're trying to set up some sort of I'm not sure. I can't tell you. Can't tell you what's going on here. All I know is that looks mad. And this is all mad and I like it. So I take it you're creating a current at the moment.
Yeah.
To go down there.
Create that channel.
A channel
Yeah,
like
create that channel to spin on the water.
right.
When I feel what you need.
Okay.
Which one is that?
The speed that come now what you need.
Alright, so that's the current. I'm getting my head around it now. So that's the current that's gonna go down to push that to spin around in the water, and that the man that is setting up there now is where the coal is gonna go. Alright, it's all making sense now, look. That spins around to make the chicken spin around on the stick. Alright, it's making sense. That is it! Look at that. Mad thing. Alright. It's all making sense. It's all making sense. It's getting it so it can twist around easily.
Business, man. Anytime I control business, we just flow. Ask me.
Blessings have to flow like a river here.
Yeah.
Cooking our vibe.
Why y'all?
Remember, man.
You can't fight, just run it up, man. Run it up.
That is it.
That is it.
Don't play with him. Look. Alright, so we're gonna light up the fire. No. Look at that, people. That is creative, man. I've never seen nothing like that in my life. Look at that. Yeah, rotisserie. Yardman style. Yo. Look at that. All the while I'm wondering how it's gonna work. Look. The stream from the water, the current is just spinning that round, which is attached to that, which is attached to that, and then the chicken will cook. The coal will go there. Mad thing. Look at that, people. Really hard man style. ENJAY, big up yourself, my bro. Every time. So, peace. Look at that, man. Mad thing. Alright, so Tarpies are light up the fire now. You see the coal there, people. The kitchen is now set up. It's all making sense. What a mad thing, bro. This is so creative. I love it. You know me, people. You know me. On Cook on Vibe, we do bare creative cooking out of tins and underground. So we made one of these ourselves, but not in the river. Yeah, we made it ourselves. We used a car motor to spin the thing, yeah. Remember that, people, the jerk duck. We've done duck. But yeah, good vibes, man. I think up and run.
Straighten it up now. So you're not pop down halfway.
Okay. Right. Make sure it's strong.
Yeah.
So the coal is burning. It's a guan. Oh, yo. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yo. Yo, this is really hard man style.
That big artist in our place.
ENJAY Nature Tour Jamaica, right?
ENJAY Nature Tour.
Alright.
People, look here. Better say, do this and beat me. Do this what me I do right now and beat me. Do this what me I do and beat me. Oh, fuck, you can't beat me.
Listen, you see the maddest cooking in the UK, and we found, and we just link up the same bridge in them, and they're on the same vibes in the people. Because they know me, you know? Listen, just know on Cook and Vibe, they know me to do beer mad things. We are cook underground in pit. Our rotisserie chicken we done before. Yeah. But this are different because the water is the current, the spinning, so it's like a natural,
Everything we are doing, man, it's a good vibe. People, they up on themselves, if you don't know, so we'll never smoke like this, stop up the screen, man, you see me?
Yeah.
Stop up the screen. Janga. Janga gone.
You want to be saying to us?
Janga want them up is a tile piece too. Watch it, people, watch it.
Oi.
This we call living. See a piece of chicken neck there? See a chicken neck there and fire roast. All piece, God.
Noticed that.
Rotisserie.
I know that is serious, bro. You're a G, blood. He's a G. It's a regular something. No. We have to catch this properly. Hold on. Alright, you've never seen nothing like this. Look at this. Yo!
Natural.
Watch the chicken spin. Right?
Chicken dance on the fire, man.
That is how it's working. The current from the river is spinning the CDs on the sticks to spin the stick with the chicken. Yo! Man, tell us, say this is creative cooking at its best. Yeah?
Big up to everybody, big up to
Jamaicans never seem to surprise me. Man, I tell you, so creative, it is unbelievable. I don't know how you even thought of this, bro. How you even think of that? Right. So he's got his YouTube channel, so then just go check it and see what I go on. Yeah. Okay. Check him out, people. Because this is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Bad thing. Yeah.
More clarity about if it's killing
Yeah.
Bad
thing, you know.
Jaga flesh, jaga brain.
Mad thing.
Jaga brain and jaga the job stick them on fire.
That's mad, you know.
What is life, man?
Does it go off stick on the kitchen?
No, so make them stick them on them.
You think I joke? We really are cook pan water, you know? Really are cook pan water. Watch it. Watch it spin. Yeah. Look at that. Really outside. Good vibes, people, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Make sure you check out ENJAY. Make sure you check out Kitchen by the River. It's a one link, so from time you link up Kitchen by the River, you can link you with ENJAY. If you link ENJAY, you can link you back.
And if remember, if you don't want them experience, yeah, afraid to link up with them, man. Just like how that forward from England side.
Yeah.
I'm there now, so you can there too.
A lot more adventure than just what you see now.
Wally,
we have guys a lot for you guys to see as well.
Yeah.
So nature
we
tour.
reach halfway.
Alright.
We
even start yet.
ENJAY, tell them about nature tour now. ENJAY go on the nature tour.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Oh, you.
What places have we got again?
I was a place.
Wally place.
Camping all them things.
If you don't go follow his YouTube channel after seeing this, yo, them a follow you, you know. We know them a go follow you better, cause you can't. That is creative. I think that's the most creative thing we've seen on Cooking Vibes so far, people.
That is it, man.
Powered by water.
Okay, everything catch up on there. Pull out. When everything catch up, you can pull out. Everything at this moment.
It's like it's been fast now, still like the current's catching.
Accept the request, bro.
On a bus.
And a stone. A coal.
A coal that?
Stone?
A stone that, man.
Put in the water all day like. And fire touch them now, they were bust.
Hot and cool.
Yeah.
And push out a chicken.
And just the ice there, man. It's ice. Skin has to protect you.
Bad thing. What's your chicken cooking, man?
ENJAY, I'm see
Think a joke.
My kitchen by the river.
A proper thing, man. And it's cooking like really like, it's not burning, it's just cooking nicely. Perfect. Watch it, the man. Yo. Oi, oi, chicken ready, man.
That is it.
That is it. You think?
Water power.
You think of chattings? Yeah, man. What's your neck? What's your neck tie up in there? And as you can see, it's cooked really nice. Look, on that side it's really nice. Got a bit of colour there. But look, that side's looking beautiful.
So you have 2 bar pan.
That is it.
Plug in, no?
Where's the little potato on there as well? Look at that. Mad thing, people. What's it? Ready up? What yoy? Look at cooked chicken. Look at that, people. I am mad thing.
Bill, you added half for you.
Good. Yo,
Oh, thanks, Coffee.
it mad, flavored and nice, you know. Kitchen by the River flavored it up nicely.
That is it,
Yeah.
people. So
And you
that
done know the ENJAY with the idea.
piece.
Never seen nothing like this, people. Look at that. Let me get one next piece. Let me get one next piece. Look at that.
It's no easy.
Look at that.
Yo.
It's actually nice and succulent. Really nice. Moist.
Moist and nice.
Enjoy your piece, MJ.
A good bite, people, man.
By the
It's
fuck.
also something.
Man.
Not these bastards biting me through my clothes.
Master by the turtle. Enjoy out.
Amazing. Look at that. Big up ENJAY, man. Big up yourself, my brother, every time, man. Respect.
ENJAY.
Got me a fuck
Yeah,
again
man.
by the piece here, bro.
We're done on my family. Respect, respect.
In peace, man.
Make sure you follow him, man. Craziness,
Thank you.
craziness.
See there?
So piece of deal with it now.
Chef, that
Legacy one. Yeah.
Yo, more the Thai part.
It's mad.
Nick.
Thank you, spell. Yeah, good boy.
Alright, people.
Who wants the next leg?
Give me time.
Tie arm.
Let me jump in the water, my ball.
No, just
Maddest life.
Nice.
Mad.
Maddest
Nice.
life.
Mad. Look,
Slip on now.
Give me that quick.
as you can see, we're right deep in the chicken, man. Everything's cooked. A mad thing. Craziness. People, who big up ENJAY for this one, man. Every time I bro, make sure you go follow him. Big up the G them. Where's
The
that?
people. Nothing. Not beat this. Do this and beat me.
It must get a like.
Do what you do?
Jesus Christ, people.
Mad, innit?
Come try this now. Rotisserie chicken and the river. Nothing not beat this. That the jerk chicken not beat this.
True.
Yeah.
Not even bone.
Yeah, no, I know.
Not even bone now left back. Not even bone now left back. My life.
Yeah.
Yo, you can't beat this.
Are you beg? Nah, get. Who you beg? Just no one.
Hey.
Chicken done, you. Nice up.
Oh, this is the afternoon.
Before and after. You hear that?
Yeah. Right.
Yo, rain are coming up. Rain are forward now. Rain are
Chicken
forward.
them.
Feeling up. Rain are forward.
Rain up forward. Bless up, people. Hope you enjoyed the episode, man. Make sure you follow ENJAY. Make sure you follow Kitchen by the River. A good vibes. If you ever want this experience, it is not far away. It's just a plane ticket away or a taxi away. Why, oi? What's Kermit? Oh, go on, Kermit.
Just a fart for the road.
Big fucking toad, that.
That a frog, that brother.
A frog.
That ugly as fuck.
Ugly blood clot. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Yes, you know what to do. Just do the right thing. Don't do the wrong thing. We did the wrong thing, you understand? That is it, people. Yo, this week's big up R.P.3614. He says, M. Big up yourself, little bit different vibe. It's good to see you maintaining that balance. Keep the positive vibrations coming. Peace and love from Itchy Fingers. Itchy Fingers, big up yourself, my general. You hear that? Yeah, man, that's regarding the glass boat tour, kayaking, spotting turtles. It's really cool, man. It's like a little bit different. I just thought I'd put it out there as an extra episode so it don't intervene with our Thursday and Sunday, isn't it? And also big up Strides. He says, yeah, season 10 is different, dog. Man, I tell you, brother, a different thing this season, man. This season you're gonna be getting vlogs, you're gonna be getting cooking, music, bare things, people. You get me? Yeah, man. So, hope you enjoyed the episode. I will see you next time. Bye bye.